welcome to this video. Currently at Elephant Nature Park near Chiang Mai, which is very exciting, and we're here for a whole week. We've just arrived and it's very, very cool. There's literally an elephant beneath me and elephants all around, so definitely what we signed up for. Yeah, we're staying and doing a volunteer program for a whole week, so I will be showing you what we get up to and hopefully you enjoy the video. We're just having a bit of free time before lunch and taking in the views and the gorgeous elephants. Really impressive.
All the ways I tried, thought that maybe I could wait for you. It was nothing you said, I felt something different about the way you moved.
This first evening at Elephant Nature Park was so magical. I was just kind of on the way to the little lookout platform bit, just to kind of see the sunset really, and to see if there was any elephants. And before I even got there, I stepped out my room and just kind of went and looked at the river, and these absolutely gorgeous elephants were entering the water and made their way down. They're so beautiful, and the sun was setting, clouds were absolutely gorgeous, and just enjoyed taking it all in and getting to know some of the other volunteers while we watched them walk up the river.
I'm struggling to find some peace of mind. I'm looking for some peace of mind.
Wow.
All along the way, your eyes are steady watching us. Down by the waterside. Thought you were the one, but I just don't know. Cry yourself a river if I don't answer when you tap. Need a little time to myself, you don't like that. Gone are the days when I thought I would stay, but I just don't know. So I'm like, oh man, lately I've been looking for some peace of mind. The sun is setting low outside, I don't wanna wait till the lights go blind. I'm struggling to find some peace of mind. I'm looking for some peace of mind.
Day 2, which was our first full day of volunteering. So we always started our days by getting breakfast. The food was always amazing, and you got to eat breakfast watching the elephants come into the park, which was just so lovely. And our first full task was collecting the watermelons off the delivery truck, and piling them up in the kitchen area. So this was a lot of fun. We had a whole train going on. We're throwing the watermelons to each other, and had a lot of fun doing this. Our next task was to take some of the dogs from the dog sanctuary out on a walk. Lots of these dogs were very heavily disabled, so this was a great opportunity for them to get out and have a little wander. This is Gracie. She's got a mind of her own. Just taking the dog for a walk. Casually some water buffalo and elephants. This is my life, apparently. Hi.
Don't tip over, I'm wearing shoes. I don't want to come in there.
This is Austin. Doggy number 2. Just casually walking next to elephants in paradise. Don't mind if I do. So elephants like to live in families and like little herds. So they have some families here that they've rescued the entire family, and then others that now just kind of live together and they keep them separate so they can live a more natural life. For example, this I think is a little group over here. I'm pretty sure this is the group that we saw at dinner last night. I'm not sure about the story of this guy, but his back seems quite broken. Aww. All of the elephants here are rescued from the tourism industry, so they all have various injuries. This guy seems to have very bad hips and back. Bless him. Or actually her. Most of them are female. So sweet. Oh, I really want to find out his name. You're so sweet. Hiya. The food here is all vegan and it's all amazing. Very, very yummy.
Shelter. So the smaller one, her name Tong E. Tong E, she's 8 years old, and she's mischievous sometimes too.
Yeah.
And she's really doesn't like the dog. So make sure if the dog follow us, we have to stay away with the dog. Sometimes they like to try to like at the dog chasing. If we close the dog, we can get attacked by the elephant.
So this afternoon we had a tour with our tour guide Lom around Elephant Nature Park. Got to see loads of the elephants, and Lom told us about lots of their life stories and how they came to be at Elephant Nature Park, how they were rescued. One of them that really stuck with me was Jokia, and I'll leave her story in the description. I'll write it out. This is Jokia, because it's quite a long story to tell, but really, really good.
This one she blind, so we move this way.
Okay. Our next task was to make an elephant cake for the elephants. So this just involved getting a load of rice together and then decorating it with various fruits and veggies. And they basically do this to kind of raise money for the elephants. So the staff generally will make the elephant cakes, and they were a lot better than ours were. For the elephants, people can like buy them online to give to their favourite elephant kind of thing. But the elephants love them, and it was so fun getting to take it over to the elephants and let them eat it. elephant skywalk, just having a wander around, seeing the elephants. It's really nice that you can kind of just observe them and see them just being elephants. It's lovely. This part is kind of separate from the main park, and there's a family that live here that then walk back down the river each day to their place where they sleep at the main park, and it's the ones that we saw walking down the river on the first day, which is very, very sweet. They're just in front of me now.
Really anywhere to get food around me apart from like
I'm gonna say to you first, and then I'm gonna explain about the meaning. Okay. Chan 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 น้องเคยเห็นช้างหรือเปล่าช้างมันตัวโตไม่เบาจมูกยาวยาวเรียกว่างวงมีเขี้ยวใต้งวงเรียกว่างามีหูมีตาหางยาว
Yay!
This one.
Hello.
Baby or a young one there?
Yes, Tong is 8 years old. She mischievous sometimes.
Is she still a baby though? Quite young for an elephant, yeah? She's a child.
She's child,
Yeah.
not adult.
okay, Saturday's definitely nice.
Most men aren't.
Round 2 of unloading the watermelons. Got all of them. Don't know if my hands have ever been this dirty. Good fun though. So I thought I'd pop in with a few more little things that I learnt from my time at EMP. Firstly, there's quite a few elephants with injuries of their feet or ankles because they've been working in previous war zones where there's still unexploded landmines, in Myanmar particularly, Cambodia also, and Vietnam, remnants from various wars. The second little thing is that each of the elephants has its own mahout, which is someone who looks after them. They're all typically from Myanmar and they form quite a close bond with the elephants. We had such a nice moment during our lunch on our penultimate day where we saw Lek coming to meet her elephants. She is the founder of Elephant Nature Park and her story is so inspiring. I'll leave a link to Love and Bananas, which is a documentary style film about Lek and about the elephants. It's a really great watch. It's very informative and also very moving. Hiya, currently Saturday and not very long left now, just the afternoon and then tomorrow morning before we head back to Chiang Mai. It's gone so quickly, like especially the last few days have just flown by, and it's been so much fun. I've really enjoyed it, I think more than I expected to actually. Everyone's so friendly, and you will have seen from the clips, like just getting to be around the elephants so much is amazing. There's also loads of dogs here, loads of cats, like it's just such a lovely place. This morning I saw Lek, who is the owner and like founder of Elephant Nature Park, interacting with the elephants, and they just like, you can just see how much they love her, and it's so sweet. She was kind of approaching them and they're putting their trunk on her and she's underneath their legs, and it was such a lovely interaction to watch. Yeah, really have loved the week. I'll be ready to get into some clean clothes for longer than a few hours, but yeah, just thought I'd do a little check-in. We've finished all of our jobs now, so yeah, can relax and enjoy the rest of the time. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, please leave it a like and subscribe if you want more travel vlogs. We're heading to the islands next in Thailand, which I'm super excited about. So yeah, stay tuned for that because loads of cool content coming. I'm going to do a scuba diving course, which admittedly I don't think I'll be able to film much of because I don't have a GoPro, but we shall see what happens. The last lunch.
But that in the club.
Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the end of my time at Elephant Nature Park. I've absolutely loved it, and now that it's time to leave, I'm like, I don't want to go. It's so nice here. Look at these views, the sun's come out. But yeah, thank you for watching, and if you're ever in northern Thailand, 100% recommend coming to Elephant Nature Park. It's such a great place, and yeah, you won't regret it. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm off to the Thai islands next, so stay tuned for that. Bye!